Hi, hello Shimmer. So, mega love shout out to you. Thank you so much for joining to my channel. Thank you so much and welcome to my channel. So, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. So, I hope you are okay there and your family. So, shout out to all of you there in USA or whatever, wherever you are in the world. So, thank you so much. So, don't forget guys. So, just visit to Cherry Hammer, my new friend here in my channel. Thank you so much and please don't forget guys, if you are new in my channel, if you are watching over there in United States of America, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Russia, or whatever country you belong right now, so don't forget guys to subscribe to this channel guys. So thank you so much to all my almost 10,000 subscribers already. So I am so very thankful, I'm so grateful for your support guys to my YouTube channel guys. No, so just comment there, and if you are commenter or first commenter, I will shout out your next upload videos. So just comment guys, where country are you from? Then yes, I will shout out you in the next upload video, in my short video. So thank you very much to all my subscribers in the USA, Canada, Australia, Russia, United Kingdom, even in Korea, wherever you are in the world. So thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much, guys. And you are very welcome in my channel, guys. So stay supporter and Mr. Wingbin, or for short MWB. Thank you so much to all my viewers in my live streaming every night, every day here only in my channel, guys, for the covering of the international news. This is fresh news. Yan. So, thank you so much. Sa lahat po ng mga Pilipino, ng aking mga viewers din sa Pilipinas, so shout out to all of you guys. Shout out to all my Filipino subscribers. So, thank you very much to all you, thank you so much your support guys. So thank you so much. So sa tanan mga Bisaya no, nga ako mga subscribers po, mayong gabi, mayong adlaw, mayong buntag kung sa orasan niyo makita niyo ko ang short video. So thank you, salamat yung guys sa inyong pagsuporta. So kana lang. God bless you, God bless you. Stay blessed always every day. God bless. Ingat, take care.